Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
Not Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're exploring Kahlua Midnight. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, you want to tell me a little bit more about this product I've never heard of?
This is Kahlua Midnight. This is a much higher proof Kahlua.
Yeah,
This is a rum with a black coffee liqueur. So this is 70 proof, whereas regular Kahlua is only 40 proof. So way higher. So what they said is lighter in color, less sweet than regular Kahlua. It is higher rum to coffee ratio in this one. Came out in 2012, was aimed at the male audience 21 to 34 years old that likes less sugary drinks. So, and if you want to see the history of Kahlua, go back. We did that like 2 years ago. Go check that out. All right, let's see what we think here.
Push the wrong button.
He pushed the wrong button. It happens.
Ooh. This is much more coffee forward than I remember Kahlua.
Yeah, because you took away all the sugar and stuff that you have in regular Kahlua, and it's just coffee and rum. That's all that's in it. So you get more like an espresso, like a burnt coffee.
Yeah.
The rum, way less sugary though.
I'm almost getting that a creaminess, like a latte though.
Yeah. The froth and everything. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. The rum smells pretty sweet, but it doesn't smell overly sweet.
It's kind of like when you go down like the coffee aisle at the grocery store and you kind of just smell the beans. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Do a fresh grinder.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells nice. I like that. Nice, pretty color.
I enjoy it.
Nice and dark.
It's still fairly clingy on the glass for being 70 proof. It shouldn't be as clingy as it is, but
tastes like coffee and rum, and it's very oily on the palate. Nice dark espresso. That's good. I like that.
The back end is nice and bitter.
The
front end hits your palate with a vanilla sugar, like freight train. But then, as it waves across the palate, the bitterness of the coffee starts to kind of show through.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that. That's quite good. Yeah, I think this was like $23 when I bought it several years ago at I think Hall's. It's some random thing I never heard of. I was like, yeah, that sounds interesting.
And interesting it is.
I like it. It's good. It's, for the money, it's good. And if you like Kahlua, it's good. Just you don't drink this like you think the regular Kahlua is, because since it's almost double the proof of the regular Kahlua, be careful.
Right, you're drinking literally two of them.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Because if you're making your mudslides and you're using this, just be real careful how many mudslides you drink that time.
Yeah. I like the nose better than the palate, but the palate is still pretty darn good. I don't hate it.
I like it.
Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. And until next time, keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers. Yeah, it's a little sweet for me,
but probably less sweet than regular Kahlua.
But way less sweet than regular Kahlua. What's the next one?
Kahlua Midnight.
Kahlua Midnight. 5, 4. Oh, what are we drinking?
Kahlua
Midnight. You said that already.